Hello everyone, and this time I will tell you how to use our Panda series. So first you open this lid and then press this button for maybe 2 minutes. Yeah, you can find this light is on and also this indicators is on. And then how to find this right position. So every time you just need to find this light is on the top, you are always find these right positions. So how to hold it? You can hold it like this. This one is right, and also you can hold it like this. This is two normal positions that our customers use it. And then you just need to put a little bit harder inside of it. Yeah, just a little bit harder inside of it. And don't be worried because we have the 3D eyes to detect your temperatures like this. You can see this light is shining, so it just protects your our fingers will be inside of it. So that's the safety guarding. Also, we have another safety guarding. Yeah, we open it, and if you want, maybe our fingers or maybe something is have a mistake to inside of it, you can just fast press this button. You can find that this knob is turning around, right? So we can take it out. So, and also for this button, you can switch this speed. We have two speed that just press this button. You can always switch. Yeah. Okay, that's all our how to use and some details about these products.